Welcome back, everyone. Now that you've learned about how search works and foundational search engine optimization concepts, you're ready to learn about how to apply them. In this video, we're going to discuss strategies, tips, and recommendations that can help the website content you create perform better in search engines. Applying SEO is an important skill as a digital marketer. You may be tasked with creating SEO-friendly content in your new role so that potential customers find it when they type queries in a search engine. The information in this section will really help you with that task. We'll start this section with general recommendations on how to optimize a website's content. Then we'll cover internal linking and how to optimize images for a website. You'll also learn about making a website mobile friendly. Then we'll review strategies that help search engines better understand your content, such as crafting effective titles and meta descriptions. You'll also learn how to create structured data markups and make your content unique in the search engines. We'll wrap up this section with an SEO tool Google provides called Search Console. It produces several SEO-related reports and metrics. You'll also learn about an SEO tool that the Bing search engine provides called Bing Webmaster Tools. I'm super excited to help you further your digital marketing and your SEO knowledge. Are you ready? Great, let's get started.